வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூனிட் 2 தான். யூனிட் 2 என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தென் ப்ராபபிலிட்டி அண்ட் தியரி ஆஃப் எரர்ஸ். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம யூனிட் 1ல் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி கிளாஸ் வைஸாக இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டாபிக்ஸ்லாம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி ஸோ அதுக்கான ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியலும் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ பார்க்காத நண்பர்கள் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது, இல்லை சேனலில் போயிட்டு ப்ளேலிஸ்ட் மூலமாகவும் நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கலாம் நண்பர்களே. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி யூனிட் 2க்கு ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் கொடுத்துருக்கோம் லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில். பார்க்காத நண்பர்கள் போய் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் போய் பார்த்துங்க. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம ப்ராபபிலிட்டி அண்ட் தியரி ஆஃப் எரர்ஸ் யூனிட் 2ல் தென் டாபிக் வைஸாக டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ வாங்க நண்பர்களே இன்றைக்கி வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஸோ இந்த யூனிட் 2ல் சிலபஸில் என்னென்ன இருக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா syllabus for unit 2, then probability and theory of errors, then probability and theory of errors, then basic concept of probability distribution and exclusive event and addition, compound event and products, and binomial, Poisson and Gaussian distribution, the normal distribution of error, then standard error, then principle of least square, then application of solution of linear equation and curve fitting. So in this unit we have to divided as 4 topics. One is then basic concept of probability. Next one pathina then group theory. So in group theory comes under most of subtopics like abelian group, then cyclic group, then reducible and irreducible, then isomorphism and homomorphism. Those topics are comes under the group theory. So then third subtopic for then different types of distribution like binomial, then Poisson and Gaussian distribution, and last one is the principle of least square. So we have to discuss in detail for coming slides. So today the content of our video is there should be 4 topics we have to discuss elaborately in this video. One is basic concept of probability distribution, then second one is how to symbolic rotation we have to discuss, then third one is group theory, then fourth one is cyclic group. So in these 4 topics then most important is 3 and 4, then group theory and cyclic group. So then most of the questions are asked in the previous year only in group theory and cyclic group, and most of the cases then problem also asked in the unit 2 then related to probabilities. So then coming videos we have to discuss elaborately about the problems. So then basic concept of probability distribution. So what is the mathematical definition? So if we have take any probability, how to define the probability of event means, so the number of cases in which the event occurred, then total number of the cases. So this is the most important. So then how to write then probability of event? If you take any probability of event, so the number of cases in which the event occurred. For example, if you toss a coin, the coin must either head or tail. So if you toss a coin, if it is a number of cases in which the coin is tosses means we have to get either head or tail. So that is called the number of cases in which the event occurred by then total number of the cases. So if an event happen in A ways and if it fails to happen means we have to symbolize in B. So the probability of event happening of event then P is equal to A by A plus B. If event happen, if it fail means then Q is equal to B by A plus B. So this is the definition about the mathematical definition of probability of event. How to solve? This is the most important cases in all problems for upcoming probability problems. So this is most important cases. So if either the event must be either happen or fail, then P plus Q is equal to 1. How to write? If P is here, the event should happen. That is then P is equal to A by then A plus B. if event is failed means we have to represent by q is equal to then b by a plus 1. So here if a plus b the same chances of occurrence, the sum of the two probability is always equal to 1, which is either happen or fail. So then p plus q is equal to 1. So some of the remarks related about the probability distribution. So it does not hold when the total number of possible outcome is finite only. So then probability restrict the rational number only. So next we move on to the statistical definition. So if the event occurred n times out of the series of n trials, what happened? Then p is equal to then limit n to integral then m by n. From the equation definition 1 and 2 we get the same result. So this is the equation number 1. So from equation 1 and 2 we have to get the same result. So this is the symbolic notation or a procedure to find out the probability. So the probability of any event must be between 0 and 1. If 0 is lesser than p or lesser than 1, so whatever the problems is given, the probability it must be lesser than 1. If it greater than 1 means we have to set the problem is not suitable for solve. So we have to choose the option none of this or the problem is inaccurate. So in this way we have to choose the answer. So then the probability is impossible, even is always 0. If it is 0 means we cannot find the probability. So the probability is sure or definite event is always 1. If it probability is happen means it should be always 1. It should be a 1. If it's 0 means we cannot get any of the solution. It is impossible to find the probability. If you get the probability means it is always equal to 1. So these are all the important cases. So then what is meant by exclusive event? If two or more events are said to be a mutual exclusive, if happening one of them exclude then happening of other. If it happen once means then exclude happening of others. So one after others. So that is called exclusive event if p of a b is equal to 0. So then content of 2, then symbolic notations. So this is the most important, repeatedly asking. So if p of a denotes the probability of event happen only a. So that is the important. So if p of a denotes the probability of event a to happen, only a to happen. So if p a dash denote the probability a not to happen. So that is the most important cases. If p of a கேட்டாங்கன்னா the event should happen only in a. If p a dash means so the probability of an event a not to happen. So in these cases then p of a plus b denoted the probability occurrence at least any one of the event a and b. So if p of a dot b denotes the probability occurrence both of the event a and b. So the event occurred in a and also b. So if p of a by b, so it is called as the conditional probability for event a to happen, then only then event b is already happened. So this is the condition for p a of b. So then content 3, then group theory. This is the most important. So how to define a group theory? A group is a set of distinct elements like G is equal to then E, A, B, C, D. Inside the bracket we have to take either a sum of the elements. Not only we have to put only E, A, B, C, D. Depends upon the whatever. It should be either finite or infinite in number. So then what are the conditions to satisfied for group theory means the composition of any two element. If you take A and B which belongs to G means so if it satisfies the group theory means then A dot B belongs to G, also then B dot A belongs to G. This is the condition number 1. So the group contain an identity element. So in this bracket then E is an identity element such that then all element A belongs to G. So here G is the group. For any matrix A belongs to G, there exists a unique element that is called then X. Then X belongs to G such that how to write then A dot X equal to then X dot A is equal to E. Here E is the identity element. So the element X is called the inverse of element A. So the law of composition of group element is associative. Then A dot B dot C is equal to then A dot B dot C. So this is the how to define order and group, subgroup, and how to define finite group or infinite group. In infinite group there are two what is discrete and continuous. So we have to discuss elaborately of upcoming slides. So the number of element in a group is called order. So what is the group means? In that group the number of element inside the group is called order. So a group contain a finite number of terms is called a finite group, and then contain an infinite number of terms is called infinite group. A group contain finite number means which is called as the finite group. If it contain infinite number of terms means it is called as the infinite group. So infinite group may either discrete or continuous. So in the discrete means, so the number of element in a group is d-numerical level. So this is the most important, we have to keep it in mind. So the number of element in a group is d-numerically infinite means such as all integer, positive, negative or 0 means that is called discrete. So if you take continuous means that should be a non-denumericable infinite such as all real numbers are called continuous. This is the most important. So an infinite group may either discrete or continuous. If it discrete means denumerically infinite such as all integer, positive, negative, 0. If it continuous means non-denumericable such as all real numbers. So what is meant by abelian group? So this is the most important topics. Most of the previous years asking repeatedly. So the product of group element is not necessary commutative. If you take any group element for product of group element, if AB is equal to BA, it is not necessary commutative, which is equal to then AB is equal to then BA. So it is not necessary to commutative. AB is equal to BA. If it abelian group, it should be a not equal. So then AB is not equal to then BA. If all the element of a group commutate with each other, then H is said to be a abelian group. So that is then AB is equal to BA. So then example, if you take, so in this group only the non-singular square matrix of order n or abelian group. So these are all the examples repeatedly asking in the previous year. So then group is equal to 1, omega is equal to then omega square. If you take omega cube is equal to, so then 3 cube of omega which is equal to 1. So this is the most important cases asking in the previous year questions paper. So then generator of finite group. So the generator of group are not unique. So the element of the smallest set is capable of generating all the element of a group are called generator of a group. So the smallest set is also capable to generate all the element. So content force and cyclic group. So what is meant by a cyclic group? So the group x square, x cube, then x power n minus 1, the next one is equal to e as the property that each of the element is sum of the power one particular element. If you take one particular element, in this particular element x, only the power should be a changes. So that is the each of the element has some power of one particular element, which is called as the cyclic group. So the n element x square x cube then up to which is equal to e, then period of x which is indicated by x. So the period of single element, that is x or e, is a finite group, that is called also cyclic group. So the group generated by the single element is a cyclic group. The cyclic group are also abelian. So this is the most important cases, sometimes asked in one times in the previous year. While the converse is not necessary, there are necessary true. So what is meant by subgroup? So every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. A set of element of a group which itself form a group is also called as a subgroup. So don't confuse what is meant by group or subgroup, is repeatedly asking. So then each subgroup except the group itself is also a cycle. So then all subgroup are also cyclic. So then subgroups H of a group G is called the proper subgroup. If it is not equal to 1, that is subgroup H is not equal to 1, which is called as the improper subgroups. So then Lagrangian theorem of then cyclic group, the order of subgroup of a finite group must be an integral divisor of order of group. So the order of all element of a finite group or the divisor of order of group, that is the most important. So this is the integral divisor, here only divisor, here the order of subgroup, here the order of element. So the normal subgroup, if subgroup is identical with its conjugate subgroup, and then it is called as the invariant subgroup or normal subgroup. So what is my conjugate element and clauses? So every conjugate element is conjugate with itself. If two elements A and D are conjugate to third element C, they are also called as the conjugate to one another. So this is asked in one time in the previous year. So the element of a group which are conjugate to one other form a class of group, then all the element of a class have the same order. So in a group of matrix, all the matrix which belong to the same classes having the same trace. Here some of the words are missing. Same classes also having the same trace. So next upcoming videos we have to discuss elaborately about the isomorphism and homomorphism and Galli theorem and group representation, how to represent the group and also the dimensions, then reducible and irreducible representation, then orthogonal theorem, then unitary group and point group. So this is the part 2 of the unit 2. Then after that we have to discuss the some of the distribution like Poisson distribution, then binomial distribution, then Gaussian distribution. Then after that we have to discuss some of the problem related to the probability, important problems. Then after that we have to move on to the study material of unit 2. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி தான் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு வரீங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு கூடவே பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிங்க, அப்போ தான் நம்ம போடக்கூடிய வீடியோ உடனே வரும். So okay friends, we meet on the next video. Thank you for watching.